Hello my art friends, today we'll be drawing a manga eye. We will start with an oval shape which is going to be the iris of our eye. And then I'm going to add the pupil on the inside, which is another oval. And I'm going to indicate about where my highlights are going to be. Highlights are basically the light reflection inside an eye. Now, I find it easier to add the eyelid now. And on the top is usually a little bit larger than the bottom part. Bottom part is a lot shorter and smaller. And this can curve down a little bit. And I'm going to also indicate sort of the above the eyelid, just a little bit of line, and the nose would be on this side. Let's ink this in. Crayola fine super tip markers, because the set of 50 has a really nice selection of colors, like these different blues. I'm going to test them out first on my test paper here, as usual, and I feel like those will blend fantastic. They will look really nice together. Okay, before I color in my iris, I will color in my pupil first and my eyelids with the Sharpie. Let's get started on the markers. I want to have a nice color blend in here, so what I'm actually gonna do is I'm gonna color in my lightest blue everywhere first. And I'm gonna leave a little highlight here, so I'm gonna draw around it, fill this part in. So this is my iris. This is the iris of the eye. Now I'm going to open my second one. I'll keep my lightest one open. Open this one. Actually, I want it a lot darker up here. Doesn't matter, I can add that later. And I pull my medium color blue down and then blend it immediately with my lighter blue. And on the top, let's add some darker blue right here. Then I blend it with my medium blue and blend that with my lightest blue. That way I get a nice color transition in here, and it is surprising how well these markers work. Let's try this black here, and then blend it with my darkest blue here. I'm gonna put some more black in here. I really want this to be darker. And I'm blended with my dark blue, and take my lightest blue and blend that one. Ooh, I like this. Cool. I'm going to use my white gel pen or my whiteout even to indicate a little bit more of my highlight here, because I want it to go inside my pupil. And I want to put another few dots and highlight spots in random areas. Why not? Just for the fun of it. Maybe make this one a bit larger. Oops. Make this a bit larger. All right, and also round this one out here. I'm liking this eye, it looks very pretty. Last but not least, I'm going to put a little of shadow, which is going to be a warm gray. Oh, that looks actually more like a cool gray. Looks very bluish, but I think that'll work as well. Why not? I'm going to put some of that shade underneath my eyelid here. Voila.